Welcome to the Concrete and Formwork Takeoff Program, Imperial and Metric version. And you don't need to be an Excel expert to use it. If you can type a number into a cell, you can run this program. The macro buttons do the work for you. This Excel-based tool is designed for general contractors, formwork contractors, developers, and construction managers who need accurate, fast concrete takeoffs on high-rise and multi-story projects. Your purchase includes both the Imperial and Metric takeoff sheets in the same workbook, so you can work in whichever unit system your project requires. It simplifies and speeds up the estimating process, especially on projects with repeated structural elements like tower floors, elevator cores, and stair shafts. Across the top of the sheet you'll see a full row of macro buttons, one for every concrete element type you'll encounter on a high-rise project. Strip footings, pad footings, grade beams, slab-on-grade, slab, fly-form slab, loose sheet slab, slab bands, drop capitals, foundation walls, elevator walls, stair walls, upstand walls, loose sheet walls under 4 feet, columns, round columns, beams, stairs, and edge forming. Each button is not just a different shape, it is a different pricing category. Foundation walls and elevator walls are both walls, but they price completely differently. Loose sheet floor and fly-form are both slabs, but they have different forming systems and different labor rates. The macro buttons keep them separate from the moment of entry. With a single click, the correct row is added automatically, complete with all the required formulas and fields for that element type. The Stairs macro includes a full stair calculator, one of the most powerful features in the program. Stairs are consistently the most underestimated item in concrete takeoff. The geometry catches estimators every time, and bundling stairs with slabs always produces the wrong number. Enter the number of risers, riser height, tread depth, stair width, and slab thickness. Click the Stairs macro button, and the program instantly calculates concrete volume and forming area automatically, shown in both cubic yards and cubic meters, and both square feet and square meters. Run the stair calculator on every stair flight, without exception. Never estimate stairs manually. Never bundle them with slabs. Stairs have their own forming geometry, their own labor rate, and their own line in your estimate. Once the row is inserted, enter your dimensions, length, width, height or thickness, and quantity, directly into the sheet. The program instantly calculates concrete volume in cubic yards and formwork area in square feet. No manual math required. The sheet displays metric equivalents automatically. Alongside your cubic yards and square feet, you immediately see cubic meters and square meters, calculated from the same inputs, on the same row, for every line item and every total. The metric sheet works the same way in reverse. Enter in meters and millimeters, and imperial equivalents appear automatically on every line. In Canada, ready-mix concrete is ordered and invoiced in cubic meters, even when your drawings are in imperial. That cubic meter column means you can verify your concrete orders directly from your imperial takeoff. No separate conversion needed. Column A is your floor multiplier. On a repetitive high-rise floor cycle, same slab, same walls, same columns, repeated floor after floor. Enter one typical floor completely, then use column A as your multiplier. Change one number, and the totals update automatically across the entire row, in both imperial and metric. This makes it straightforward to handle tower floors, repeated beams, or identical stair cores, without re-entering data for every level. Because every item is added through the macro buttons, every line in the takeoff stays consistent. The result is a clean, professional sheet that is easy to review, check, and audit. Any change updates automatically. As the takeoff grows, the real power of the system comes from sorting and filtering. Watch what happens when we filter column C to show only elevator walls. Click the filter drop-down, select Elevator Walls, and the sheet instantly shows only those rows. Now click Sorted Total, and the visible total appears automatically, showing only the elevator wall concrete and forming quantities, in both cubic yards and cubic meters. Copy that visible total row, switch to the CSI estimate sheet, and paste it directly into the elevator walls line item. Clear the filter, and repeat for the next element type. That is the entire transfer workflow. Filter, total, copy, paste. Every element type transferred to your estimate in minutes. No rebuilding, no recalculating. The takeoff does the work. The Concrete and Formwork Takeoff Program, Imperial and Metric version, is built for speed, accuracy, and repeatability. Whether you're a general contractor self-performing concrete, a developer reviewing bids, a formwork contractor pricing a high-rise package, or a construction manager tracking quantities, this program keeps your takeoff organized, accurate, and fully auditable. Macro buttons for every element type. Automatic dual-unit conversions on every line. Floor multipliers. Sort and filter by element type or floor. Both Imperial and Metric included in your purchase. Spend less time calculating, and more time reviewing, pricing, and refining your estimate. And remember, you don't have to be a regular Excel user. The buttons and built-in formulas handle the calculations. You just enter your dimensions, and the program does the rest. What does your current concrete takeoff workflow look like? Drop a comment below. Every response gets a reply. The purchase link is in the description. And to see the complete CSI estimate sheet in action, watch our integrated CSI estimating system video.